Come boys, come like
Em
boys come.
Kakisi light choir kabadi kakan huan rai jong kakisi secondary school Shillong akash photorik nailar aja punrio kalawan ra yakaburam yakajla patkari paro kawi laka jingkop bakrayo hadu artli kita ksiar naka Thailand International Choral Competition kabalai akani kasngi laya penlong yak jing penkup buram hakabaya kani Thailand International Choral Competition kabalai kadei kabalas dang ngadu laiterik hadu nyokterik nailar aja punrio batki absan ngut ki kanarit ki balong ki nong rai jong kakisi light choir.
Again.
Kanika competition.
Yeah, this is the third in the Thailand International Choral Festival organized by the Thailand Choral Association, which was held from the 3rd to the 7th, which included 9 categories. And we took part in 2 categories where we got 2 gold medals for both the categories, and we also got a special award for being the most inspirational choir.
Samgi iru bapi
The opening ceremony in Kasi.
how many countries?
7.
7.
Oh,
From India.
no, only us from India. We were the first choir from India to ever represent our country at this competition.
So you got three gold medals.
2 gold and 1 special jury award. Yeah.
So what is your next?
Oh, we would love to travel to other places too, but because of the financial situations, it was not easy. Because to go to something like this, we require a lot of funds. And we hope that we will be able to get it through the things that we do. Because we really want our music to go out of the Northeast. And to hear after the opening ceremony, all the Indonesian choirs, all of them were singing the song Oi Oi when they were going back. At least now other countries are learning Khasi songs. So I'm really proud about that. And they all found the choir, like they said, the most disciplined choir, very hospitable. So the children did a very good job promoting our state. And I'm so proud of that actually.
This is the second time, sir?
No, this is our 10th gold medal now. Yeah, 5th country. Yeah.
So you didn't get any sponsor from government?
Not yet.
So
This time, not yet. I hope when they see the results then. Hopefully. Yeah, because we're representing the country, I think it's an honor for us. And I think it's an honor for everyone because I'm saying now Khasi music is being shown to the world, and now they've realized what kind of music, because we are so different from the other countries. And that's what the judges said. Our music is really pure, very gentle, and that's what they really loved about it. Whereas the other countries are very loud, and we had only 25, the other countries had 40, 50 choir members. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Update apa ban ai ngoi play track and drive pala ye dan dekat bani naduk bani dang stang yang kena practice pa haduk kena papor pamantang ka experience jang ati nga sngo bangi compare banyak ki weki ri but nga sngo comment ri kata ba ngin yai penki shushu ekani katan rai jengi shaning kham shalor
Teko mo kilap ikiwe pat kiwi habang ki perform. Kasi kiso dan yang kata kecing aktian kapon.
Ning kong te ba ni dang snang poi hoi idan ni kajing aktian tang ba bat ka jingarap jo isa jingi bat ya kajing yo bohi jing ya kershan nila hi but ni dan hi ka ho group bangin la hi
Dila sege ika ka feedback ka berfio anak ki wei ki koya tong ki wei ki wi bat ki judge ba judge hapne ka competition
ka feedback bangi yo re ba ilong bangi de ka ilong discipline but ilong unique ha ka ika bangi le
kanu tali ki jingwai khasi ba phi perform ha kan ka competition
lightly ka way ha ka opening ceremony but artly ha ka competition
Haban jar kurtangi ni ki jingwai khasi
ha ka opening ceremony ni rai ka jing rai oi but ha ka competition ni rai da ya ka jing rai ya la palang but ya ka jing wan hai
la oh tu
Kadang ke piwan.
Kani ka competition pangilek kita ketika third ka kasin ka balai ka international jang Thailand. Kara sedang
Kena tarik.
oh lai tarik hadu nyo
Kanu tylli kiri di bawah nasional.
san tuli
Kana?
sanin rio entah
Na India di tang mo pindi.
oh
Daya.
Tu.
Tapi